Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video, I'm gonna give .com Secrets Review 2022, guys. So, guys, if you're looking for what is this book, which for this book, what is the price of this book, what you are going to learn from this book, that is .com Secrets book. So, guys, this video is for you. In this video, I'm gonna tell you each and everything about this book, guys. Right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that, guys, if you are a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then guys, down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. So yes, if you are serious, then go and check out my ebook. Down below there is a link, guys. Right? So okay, now here without a delay, let me tell you about this .com Secrets book. So guys, very first thing, this book is written by Russell Brunson, guys. Russell Brunson, he is the guy who is a nine-figure entrepreneur. He is world-class marketing coach, right? And he is the guy who has taken his company, that is ClickFunnels, to $100 million in sales per year, guys. So yes, guys, there are so many things that we can learn from that guy, and he has revealed everything, guys, in that book, guys. He has revealed everything. Mean to say, guys, you can say he's the guy who has, you can say, more than 15 years of experience about this online industry. So he knows what works and what doesn't, right? So in this book, you are going to learn that how to start your own online business using sales funnel, guys, right? So you are looking for how to start your online business, then yes, this book is for you, guys. Right? And now what you are going to learn in that ebook, guys, so it was overall scenario that you are going to learn how to start online business, but step by step, if I tell you step by step what you are going to learn, then let me tell you some of the things that you will learn. So you will learn that secret formula, value ladder, right? How to find your dream customers, and 3 type of traffic, guys. You know that traffic is kind of lifeblood of any kind of business, whether it's a online business or offline business. So traffic is very important, guys. Attractive character, how to be attractive character, right? That you are going to learn in that ebook, guys. Right? You can see I'm just telling each and everything from here, guys. Right? The best weight, right? 2-step free plus shipping, and self-liquidating offer. You will learn about this. Perfect webinar script, product launch, high ticket, right? So there are so many things, guys, that you are going to learn. And yes, guys, let me show you some of the, you can say, point that I have highlighted, guys, when I was reading this book, guys. Right? So the first step is to make a list of your direct and indirect competitors and their landing page URLs. So I find this point very good. Look for the paid ads, usually on the right hand side, and start clicking on those ads so that you can get the idea what they are offering. And you can see, yep. You can see I have highlighted, guys, some of the points. One of the first thing I explain to people when I start working with them is to concept of value ladder, guys. This is very important, guys, and it's the first thing you have to build out before you can start working on any sales funnel. So guys, it's a value ladder means like you have first product, like let's suppose I'm selling this .com secret. So what next? Right? If someone buy this .com secrets book, what else I can, you can say, I can sell to that same guy, right, who has just bought .com secrets book. So yes, if someone has buy, you can say, if someone has bought this .com secrets book, I can sell like perfect webinar script, right, or my own sales funnel, or my event, right, or any high ticket item. So this is what he is going to tell you, that if you are doing online business, then yes, you must have value ladder, right? What else in your value ladder that you are going to show to the people, or that you are going to sell to the people, right? So sell to the people in your sales funnel, right? So this is what we are going to learn in this book, guys, right? And there are so many things, guys. You are going to learn about traffic, right? How to convert your traffic into customer, right? So there are so many things, guys, that you are going to learn from this .com secrets book, guys. And yes, guys, if you are looking for what is the price of this book, then guys, simply this book is absolutely free, guys. You don't have to pay anything, but you have to cover shipping and handling charges if you want to get this book, right? So yes, guys, if you are serious and you want to learn about online business, what's the right way, then yes, this book is for you, guys. If you are really serious, I would highly recommend you guys go and read this book at least for once, guys, right? Down below I have put the link of this book, guys. You can go and check out. And just very frankly, guys, this is my affiliate link, guys. If you go through you can say my link, I will make around $1, guys, right? So yes, guys, so that's it, guys, right? And yeah, if you have any questions regarding this book, guys, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to answer, guys, right? And yes, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel, and down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then yes, go and subscribe to my channel, guys, right? So yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. We will have a nice day. Bye bye, guys.